Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this tutorial, we will explore how to make a copy of an Excel sheet. So let's have a look now. At first, open an Excel sheet. For example, we want to copy this sheet. Now what we have to do is simply right click and here from the context menu, click on Move or Copy. Here is some option given. Select one based on your needs. Then click on Create a Copy and here is your copied version. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.